So I'm guessing you guys have, like, at least familiar with Halo, right? So, you must be familiar with this, the assault rifle, Nerf assault rifle. Following the release of Halo Infinite, I really don't like Halo anymore. So we're gonna see what horrible things we can do to this. No, I'm not, like, setting it on fire or anything. Yep, so I guess first we're gonna start with this guy. Won't be needing that. Already looks disgusting. Make it look even more disgusting. Go. Modulus scope. Oh, that did nothing. Still looks weird. That didn't happen. Barrel extension. Yes. Wait, that makes me wonder. Hold. Moment of truth. I will make this work. Yes! Alright, we're getting there, we're getting there. There we go. Now, last thing we can do, the clip. Full magazine. Alright, 10 darts and it looks ugly. Make it look even uglier. Go. 18 darts. I'm still not sold. Hyperfire drum mag. There we go. You know you reach peak efficiency when, like, the mag doesn't even fit in the gun. There we go. So this is the new and improved assault rifle. Gaze upon my Frankenstein. God, that is just disgusting. But, yep. The reason I don't like Halo Infinite is because they introduced Battle Pass. Plus they reworked all... You know what? I'm not even gonna say because it would be like a whole thing. So, yep. Bye, guys. Hope I can get this in stores sometime. Hope I don't get sued by, like, I don't know, Microsoft. But, yep. See ya.